Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... When Hurricane Melissa slammed into Jamaica, it didn't care who was rich or poor, uptown or country. Homes were washed away, families left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. But in the middle of despair, something beautiful happened. Jamaica's humanitarian YouTubers rose up, not for views, not for clout, but out of pure heart. These creators became first responders, bringing food, comfort, and hope. Welcome back to CCN World TV News. Today, we spotlight the Jamaican YouTubers who didn't just watch destruction. They stepped into the storm's aftermath with compassion. From Westmoreland to St. Elizabeth, St. James to Kingston, they traveled across deep waters, broken bridges, and fallen trees, all to deliver relief to the people. Colaz TV, the community prime minister. One of the first on the front line was Colaz TV, a man Jamaica now calls the YouTube community prime minister. While others were waiting on official updates, Colaz and his team were already on the road, delivering care packages in the worst hit areas of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. Rice, flour, water, crackers, pampers, sardines, everything people needed right now. ShanZenZen, Shanika Smith, known for her inspiration and positivity. After seeing her own parish struggling, Shanika Smith packed up supplies, sanitary items, food packages, water, and hit the road. She didn't wait for donations. She used what she had because she believes in give from where you are with what you have. And her viewers followed her lead. Next up, we have J.A. Street Struggles. You've seen him highlight the struggles of everyday Jamaicans. But after Melissa, J.A. Street Struggles stepped up with action. He delivered food packages to single mothers, bedridden elders, and families cut off by floods. His channel became a bridge, connecting people who needed help with people willing to give. J. Bud the Baker, Jamaica's favorite baker. J. Bud didn't just bring relief, he brought comfort. Different care packages he delivered with kindness and humility. For many families, J. Bud's visit was the first warm food they received since the storm. Next up, we have Cameron Family TV. The Cameron Family TV team gathered donations from their supporters and delivered care packages across Jamaica. The entire family showed up, teaching their children the value of giving back, even in tough times. A true example of family-driven humanitarian work. With a name like a Likkle Everything Jamaican, you know her style. Versatile, helpful, and full of love. She delivered food packages and essential items to families trying to rebuild. Her message to viewers was powerful. We may be small channels, but we have big hearts. Next up, we have Tnation. Tnation joined the humanitarian effort by bringing supplies to rural districts. From tarpaulins to dry goods, he made sure communities that felt forgotten got the support they needed.